Hello, wisdom seekers, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about the top 4 crystal wisdom benefits of working with golden healer quartz, the healer stone. And for those who are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Shannon. I'm a certified Reiki master and teacher, a certified gemologist, and now a brand new author. I have just recently published my first book, Crystal Wisdom, Unearthing the Power of Gemstones for Positive Life Change. And it will take you through the entire practice from beginning to end. I will link my book in the eye above, and I'll post a link to it in the description below if you're interested in checking it out. But today, we're going to be talking about how you can benefit from the crystal wisdom of golden healer's quartz. Now, this is a quartz that has inclusions of iron oxide, which give it this yellow color. And you may find stones that are all yellow, just like this, or the stone can be mostly clear with just streaks of the yellow through it. Both are golden healer quartz. This is different from hematoid quartz, or what's called fire quartz, because that has inclusions of hematite in it, and the color of those are pink and red. They look like flames in it. So how can you use golden healer's quartz in your life? The first benefit is that this is a stone that opens energy channels. It's an incredibly high vibrational stone that when you hold it, it opens up and clears all different types of energy channels in your body. It gets the energy flowing through them, and it strengthens your aura. This is an energetic powerhouse. It really gives a boost to your entire energetic system. Working with this gemstone helps you channel a greater amount of energy. It helps enhance energy work. It also helps you balance your own energy if you've been feeling off kilter or a little bit lethargic and you don't know why. It also helps you to strengthen your aura, to help identify where there might be cracks or weak parts of your energy, and to help bring some positive energy flow to that so that you feel whole and alive and balanced in your energetic body. This is also great for people who are just trying to get in touch with their energetic self. They feel rooted in their physical body and feel a little disconnected from your spirit self, your energy, or your aura body. It helps with learning chakra work. It's just phenomenal for really having an in-depth experience with your own personal energy. The second benefit of working with golden healer's quartz is that it's great for energy healing. If you are a Reiki healer or another variety of energy healer, this is a gemstone that really helps you tap into that healing energy source to clear and strengthen the channels that energy uses, and to amplify the flow of healing energy to yourself or your clients. This is a great stone to use if you are practicing or you're just getting your energy healer certification. This is a phenomenal stone that can really help you learn how to use healing energy. Golden healer's quartz also helps you strengthen your intention during a healing session, to let you be present in the moment with the flow of energy. Especially if it's a distance healing session, it keeps your intention really strong and focused and present on providing that energy to others. The third benefit of working with golden healer's quartz is that it is really supportive for healers. And it helps healers of all types to recuperate from their daily sessions. And it doesn't have to be an energy healer. Anybody in the supportive or healing profession, if you are a caretaker in any way, then Golden Healer's Quartz allows you to rejuvenate and to rest and recover your own personal energy after you've worked, whether you're a doctor, a nurse, a dentist, a therapist, an EMT, a hospice worker. All of those professions can benefit from some meditation time with Golden Healer's Quartz, because often healers don't take the time to take care of themselves. Many times healers are so focused on resolving or reducing the pain and suffering of others, and they forget to help themselves rest, relax, perform those hobbies and activities that are joyful, and to take care of themselves as well. Because taking care of yourself and making sure that your own body and heart and energy are strong will help you provide better service to your clients. And then the fourth benefit of working with Golden Healer's Quartz is that it heals the past. This gemstone is incredibly supportive if you are recovering from a trauma, whether it is a recent one or one from your deep past, or even ones from a past life. It creates an intensely supportive energy space for you to address those traumas, for you to sit with those feelings, to process them, release them, to have a good cry, to feel strong again. And this gemstone also helps you understand the root cause of phobias, whether it was triggered in this life or a previous life, so that you can heal that fear, so that you can heal from whatever that trauma was that is triggering the fear and phobia that is affecting your life right now. Golden Healer's Quartz is just an incredibly powerful stone for you to heal personally, for you to provide healing to others, and for you to recuperate if you are a healer. It is one that I highly recommend being in your healing toolkit if you are any form of healer. Thank you so much for joining me to talk about Golden Healer's Quartz. And if this seems like a gemstone that you would like to work with more, then in 2 days, on Friday, I will be posting a guided meditation with Golden Healer's Quartz. And you do not need a piece of this gemstone to benefit from the guided meditation. But if anything that I talked about in this video, or if any of the prompts during the guided meditation really spoke to you, they felt familiar or triggered you a little bit, then that's a sign that you should get some Golden Healer's Quartz and work with it some more. If you've been watching my videos for a while and you enjoy them, you haven't yet subscribed, please do subscribe so you don't miss a single gemstone video. If you're new to the channel and you would like to hear about a wide variety of how gemstones can help you in your everyday life, then subscribe to the channel. And I really, really do hope that you check out my new book, Crystal Wisdom. Again, the links are in the description box below or in the eye above. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you during the guided meditation.